Holy smokes, muscle car fans, what in the world is behind me? We got our friends here at Pro Tint. We just opened up our own shop. That includes myself with GS Media. That includes Todd Otto with Muscle Car Concepts. And that includes Xavier with his Jeremiah S1K brand. Us three have got ourselves in this building for you guys at home. If you need anything media related, you call us. If you want us to sell your car, if you want us to fix your car to sell your car, if you want a classic car restored, anything car related, if you're looking for photography, videography, if you want us to sell it, we sell it at a better fee than most people anywhere. We're here to help the car community. So let's go take a look at our new business building, basically. It's pretty exciting. So, this is our new space. This is what we do. Let's take a look. We're gonna start with our bathroom. What the word? Hey, shouts out to Revolution Wraps for like making things nice. Yeah, don't show them all the details. You don't. Hey, that's our pooper. So yeah, front desk. If we end up hiring someone right here, just don't steal from us. Not much to ask for. It's pretty simple. This is our media space. I like the lighting in here. Low lighting makes it easy to do my job. A lot of editing, things like that. Let's go show them the bread and butter of why we got this shop. Heyo! Welcome back, muscle car fans. My name's Gage with GS Media. Jeremiah S1K up there, and Todd Otto is still at Muscle Car Concepts. He's going to join us in a bit. This is our 96 Cobra Mustang, like 50,000 miles, I believe, 60,000. And we're asking $12,500 for it. Call us at 402-484-0330 if you want to buy it. Basically all original, beautiful, convertible, 6-speed. Let's double check that. I was in a 6-speed yesterday and I don't know if it was this. 5-speed. Again, we sell cars. We'll come get your private collection, bring it here, detail it, post up for sale, get you the most for your money at home. We are your automotive solution when it comes to anything restoration, buff and polish, private selling, fixing, mechanic, fabrication, repaint, tint, convertible tops, custom upholstery. Like, we are the real deal. Let's go take a look at the rest of the shop. So as you can see, Revolution used to be in this space, and we done gave them the boot. Bah! They gave themselves the boot. They moved out a while ago, and here we are doing what we do. A lot of open space. I want to paint this blue. We want to stain the stairs a dark pine color, but basically a dark stain. I'm thinking Muscle Car Concepts logo, fill the whole wall right here. Todd's going to bring some of his cars, and oh yeah, that Eleanor Mustang that we've been building, kind of had a little situation with the customer. He wanted us to continue the project without him, so we bought it, and we're going to bring it in here and work on it. So that's our new YouTube car, 67 Fastback GT500 Eleanor Mustang. Not too often do you hear about that. We got washer, dryer up there. That's a little different, so we could actually clean as we need. I don't know how many of you guys actually came with, like, it's nice to see that we got a water station, a drainage station. Makes detailing a lot easier. And it comes with 2 urinals. Now, I don't know why you necessarily want to, like, pee together with someone you work with that closely, but if you want to, you could. You could come here and pee with your best friend. I'm joking. Don't. This is really a private business, I'll be honest. Yo, who are you?
That guy.
Who's that guy?
Jeremiah S1K, shop son.
Shop son. Dude, Shop son is in our shop with his own space. Let's go check out his stuff. So this is Xavier's Jixer. Yeah.
Where?
Check the break room.
There's nothing.
Stiff. Boom! So yeah, this is Jeremiah Jurgens, Jeremiah S1K's office, bike space. If you need anything bike related, hey, we're gonna host bike meets. People like the hype in Omaha. They're gonna come here. We're gonna get Grumpy Mug since Nebraska. She's gonna show up with her trailer and provide some nice coffee and snacks for the folks. We're hosting events. We're doing everything in this space. Also, I want to do photography, videography, rollers, classic car specific, but also any car specific content. And if you are a business owner who's looking to scale, to increase sales, to increase visibility with your ideal customers, you reach out to me at GS Media and I take care of your problems. I am your solution. And I'm not joking, I mean it. We built 100,000 followers, 50 million views, and a lot of money in sales just for muscle car concepts. So most people hit the point where me and Megan are at, where you figured out the thing that works and you do it for yourself, and then you get your own space like this and you stop trying to help other people. I'm helping you business folks. I myself is a businessman and I like scaling businesses, so this is me just documenting what I can do for you and what I'm gonna do for Xavier and what I am doing for Todd and what Megan's doing for Todd. So this is Xavier's. What year is your bike? 14? 2014 BMW 535i, just single turbo POS.
What? By 335?
No, it's your bike, right?
335? Yeah, a car? They're funny.
S1K. Tell him about it. Give him the beans.
It goes fast. No, it's 2014 S1K. Let me check the mileage on it, because I don't even know. I was supposed to service this in July of 2015, by the way. It's 5,400 miles on it, so basically a brand new bike. Here I have a NOS bottle on it. It's supposed to be doing a 40 shot on F15 race fuel, but I haven't finished the tune yet. It shoots 2 foot long flames. As drag straps, it's lowered 1 inch or 2. Bigger sprockets. The bike is basically built for the quarter mile, which I was going to test this weekend, but going to Texas instead.
Picking up a trailer, wrapping it.
Yep.
It's gonna have Muscle Car Concepts, GS Media, obviously Jergens.
All those brands up there.
Oh yeah, these are your sponsors. Check it out.
Well, most of our concepts isn't on there yet, but I forgot. Alright. The OG sponsor I forgot about. Alright,
You wouldn't have Shop Sun without Muscle Car Concepts.
Don't be mad at me.
Everybody in the comments, get them. Just get them. Let them know that this big space right here should just say MCC. And then everybody go like the first person that commented that, and that's how many people Xavier needs to take serious, because, like, bro, that's shop family. We're going to have a full gym situation in here as well, because hashtag get strong, get ripped. This 8-pack doesn't build itself. Megan's nailing the filming, by the way. Shouts out to Megan Savela with what? Sip Sip Hooray? That's her wine blog and alcoholic business. So where do you hide all the alcohol in here, Megan? She's just in here, feet up, just getting hammered on live. So I'm joking. This is Megan's area. She does amazing work. Obviously, we needed her to come with us. And again, we've been here for about 24 hours, so you know, the place is kind of empty, but Megan's really done herself nice. That's what she does. Good job, Megan. Shouts out. Everybody go tell Megan she's amazing. A lot of videos you would never see without Megan. Just saying. This is a room. Very cool. Here's another room. My office. I'm going to paint it blue. So I started finger painting the wall. I took off a decal. That's why you got some stuff everywhere. Whoa. Yay.
Oh, we can't forget we have a little drive-through window actually in here.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Is that Muscle Car Concepts? Oh my goodness. I love you guys. Dude, our friends at Pro Tent who are next door, they came by But they saw us arrive and they're like, "Oh, are you guys like Muscle Car Concepts?" I was like, "Yeah." "Dude, I love your videos," and could quote like specific ones word for word. And I was like, dang, honored. So we're gonna do some media with Pro Tint. We're gonna shout them out because they're dope. And I like what they do and I like who they are. This is another room. If you want to be painted like a French lady, you could right here. Shouts out to the Titanic. If you've seen it, you've seen it. Hey, look at that. Found cash. That's, yeah, we're a for-profit business, so we do accept cash. This is a room, another room that we do things in. Like sometimes sleep or just think. This is Todd's magnificent orifice. He does some cool stuff. We're gonna be doing a podcast in here. Lighting's not the best. I don't even know where the light switches are. Like I said, we've been here for the 24 minutes.
I have found the light switch.
Bop.
Yeah,
Everybody, tell Todd we love him.
You got a little Ellison spot.
So my job is, I'm just gonna wait till Todd comes in. I'm gonna get him.
He's got a little hobbit hole.
I'm hungry, man. If you got food, sponsor us food. This is Megan's other office.
No. Through the hobbit door.
Boom. So yeah, this is where nothing happens in here. Be careful, we got a lot of these wires. Let's take a look at shop, son. You know, we're gonna have to have a serious talk about how good this chair is. I guarantee you, you've never seen a chair do what this thing's capable of. I want you to think about, at what point do you think it would stop? I mean, in case you need help getting out.
There needs to be a... Oh.
That was a live demonstration. Take a seat in my chair. So this is Xavier's. I don't know what he's going to do with it, but it does that. It's a cool little trick. A little party trick you might not know about. I do feel like kind of leaving it like this, but we're going to be nice to Xavier and greetings. So, I'm sorry, Xavier. I had
Hold on. I gotta do the sad little zoom in show.
Let's see what our fortune was. Learn Chinese. Wow. Oh, other side. Take care of your body. It's the vessel for your soul's journey. Alright, so we're gonna go eat. That was my sign. Hey, food. Let me clean up. I'm not gonna be mean in the shop, son. He's a good fella. Doing good things. I'll even put his stuff away. Let's go check out his nice staircase. Cool view. Very cool. If you do this right, you can kind of just... Woo!
For the folks at home, I did it a much nicer way.
So, come work with us. Hit us up, GS Media, Muscle Car Concepts, or Jeremiah S1K. If you need anything, if you want to be a part of this, we can host you, your brand, your company, 1320 Video, Puddin's Fab Shop, Matt's Off-Road Recovery, just a few names, Chip Foose, Tom Petty. Is he alive?
We'll look into it.
I think he's got a Daytona Charger in that Petty blue. So, Muscle Car fans, like the video, subscribe, tell your friends and family we're mother freaking here. And take care. It's time to eat.